Hi guys, I have our alphabet chart here and my son Xander, and we're going to show you the letters and the gestures that go with each letter. Ready? A, apple. B, ball. C, cut. D, drum. E, elbow. F, fan. G, guitar. H, hi. I, itch. J, jump. K, kick. L, love. M, meatball. N, nap. O, opera. P, push. Q, quiet. R, run. S, so. T, talk. U, up. V, violin. W, wiggle. X, X-ray. Y, yay. And Z, zigzag. Good job, Xander.
Hey, can I actually